the shoreline.
We've been out here for several hours. We've seen crews out here trying to keep the roads, the sidewalks clear, but it's going to be a big effort, TJ.
All right, Stephanie, thank you so much. And we have a remarkable moment from the snowstorm that we would like to show you. Know what you're looking at here? That is a couple just had a baby, Caitlin and David's baby. They were on the way to the hospital. Of course, they've got about 19 inches of snow there in Connecticut, maybe some slow going. Well, the baby got a little impatient. We're not going to wait until we go inside the hospital. This parking lot will do just fine. And the baby was actually born there in the front seat of the car in the parking lot of that hospital. So congratulations. And Molly Joyce is her name. Welcome to the world.
Everybody looks happy and healthy. That's fantastic.